how to show scroll bars on Windows. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to show scroll bars on Windows. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, simply go to the bottom and there you simply have to click on the Windows search bar and simply type settings. And now here, once you search for it, simply double click on the settings to open it. And now here, once you are inside the settings, then you simply have to go to the left hand sidebar and there you simply have to click on accessibility. And now here, inside the accessibility, you simply have to click on the option that says visual effects. So simply click on it. And now here, once you are inside the visual effects, there you can see the option that says always show scroll bars. So here you simply have to toggle on this option. And once you do that, the scroll bars will be seen on the windows. And that's it. That's how you can show scroll bars on Windows. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.